In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add downloadable files to your Squarespace website. Whether you want to share a PDF brochure, a pricing sheet, a menu, or a checklist, the simplest approach is to connect a file to a button so visitors can download it with one click. I'll guide you through the exact flow and explain what each step does so you feel confident repeating it anywhere on your site. Start in the page editor where you want the download to appear. Hover over the area and click Add Block. From the block library, choose Button. Buttons are perfect for downloads because they're prominent, accessible, and easy to understand. Once the button is on the page, select the small pencil icon to open its settings. In the text field, replace the default label with something clear and action-oriented. Download PDF, get the guide, or save the menu. Brief, specific labels set expectations and encourage clicks. Now it's time to connect the file. Click Attach Link to open the link options. Click URL to reveal the full link picker, then switch to File. Choosing File tells Squarespace you want this button to serve a downloadable document instead of sending visitors to a web address. Next, click the Upload arrow. This opens your computer's file browser so you can pick the document you want people to download. PDFs are a great choice because they preserve formatting and work across devices, but you can also upload images or other supported file types depending on your plan. Select the file you want to add. Squarespace will upload it to your site's file storage and automatically link the button to that file. Behind the scenes, it hosts the document and generates a unique URL, so you don't need external storage or to adjust sharing permissions. As a practical tip, keep file names descriptive and clean. This helps with organization and can make managing updates easier later. At this point, your button text is set and the file link is attached. Visitors who click the button will open or download the document depending on their device and browser settings. If you need to replace the file in the future, return to the same link settings and upload a new version. The button will update to point to the new file. That's the full process. Add a button block, open its settings, write clear button text, attach a link, choose File, Upload, and select your document. Repeat these steps anywhere a download makes sense, like a resources section, a blog post, or a landing page.